Okay, hello guys, hello YouTubers. Today we are going to review the double eagle m56dl and the m56a spring-powered shotguns. These shotguns are one of the cheapest and most affordable guns on the market you can use in games, in Airsoft games, and this means they are efficient enough to compete against AEGs and others. Okay, let's see. Focus is something. Okay, let's see the build quality on these. These are mostly made of plastic. On the A version, the barrel, the body, the stock, the pistol grip, the pump is made of some kind of ABS plastic. The sides are fixed. The barrel underneath the main barrel, which is usually the magazine for the real shotgun, in this it's just for looks only, seems to be metal. Also, the sling attachment point, the trigger, the safety, and yeah, the back sling attachment point is made of metal. Yeah, operation is pretty okay. Let's go to the m56dl. On this one, the barrel, the pipe underneath the barrel, the sling attachment point, of course the safety, and a part of the rear sight is metal. All the other parts are plastic. The pump, the pistol grip, and the cheek rest, and the butt pad is rubberized. Of course, on this one, the stock mechanism and the stock pipe is made of metal too. These shotguns are spring powered. This means you have to manually cock the spring, and then the gun is ready to fire in case you have disengaged the safety. As you can see, there is a red ring here, right here. In that position it is on safe. In the other position it is on, it is ready to fire. The gun uses shotgun shell shaped magazines. These magazines hold 30 rounds, and the gun fires 3 BBs on each shot, each trigger pull. The one shell lasts for 10 shots. Okay, first rule of shotgunning: once you have the shotgun, don't forget to purchase at least a 6-pack of these shells. I highly recommend you to buy 12 at first. They are cheap, affordable, and if you have enough of these, the shotgunning is really enjoyable. Sorry guys, forgot to show you how to load the gun. Pour the baby to your loader, put it to your shell, load it, great, and you have a latch underneath your gun, and here is the opening button for your latch. The latch is open, and here is your magazine, your shell. Put it there, close it, grab the pump, cock your gun, and it is ready to fire. Okay. Yeah, I have a shell holder for these shotguns. It is usually attached to the stock of the shotgun, but myself I used to attach to my forearm. Okay, the DL version, as it is a tactical shotgun, has a 20mm Picatinny rail on the top, an adjustable rear sight, and a fixed front sight. I think that's it. Yeah, it has also one more place to accumulate the shell in the pistol grip. I use 0.25 gram G&G Bio BBs on these to maximize range, because it has a slightly more textured surface, so it's not polished to the absolute shiny surface. And on these guns, the pop-ups on each barrel, because it has 3 inner barrels in the main barrel, I'll try to show you, and don't know if you can see it, but there is 3 barrels, 3 internal barrels inside. The hop-up is fixed, so there is no way to adjust it without disassembling the gun. And in this case, G&G Bio gives you a bit more range. Talking about range is about 35 meters to 45 meters, and that is with the 300-ish FPS in each gun. Also, it has an ability of rapid fire. For this, you have to pull the trigger and pump the gun, and as you push the pump forward, it will automatically fire. Repeating this process makes this gun surprisingly efficient, and not to mention the opponents who got shot with 3 BBs on 1 shot. Okay, what do I have to mention? Over time, the tube on the DL version gets let loose. You need a 4mm Allen wrench, an extremely long Allen wrench, and by removing the stock, you can access the Allen key, or more exactly the Allen screw inside the stock tube, and you should tighten up that screw, and your shotgun is going to be as good as it was when it's purchased. These are sold here around $80. In the States it's around 50 to 60. I highly recommend these because they are very fun to shoot and very fun to play, and needs a bit of thinking, and this means they are not for everyone. And in my opinion, these and the sniper springers are the only springers that are worth buying. Okay, thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe. In the next reviews, I'm going to review the A&K M25 spring sniper, and more on that in the next video. Stay tuned, and of course subscribe, rate and comment. Thank you for watching again.